Where your car at, nigga?
What is up, yo? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Big T SRT. So today, as y'all see right there, we got our tires for the drag pack, for the bravados in the back. So I ended up ordering these tires on Tire Rack. I went with a 305, same size that's on there, 305 45 18, but with the Nitto 555Rrs. So yeah, today we're gonna go put those on, and then I also got a set of the P0 Pirellis for the stock SRT. Yeah, so I got the Pirelli P0s for my daily use, daily driving for the SRT wheels. But one with 295. This is the original size I had on these wheels when I got them, or the wheels over there, the 295 40/20s. This was a good size. 315 was, I don't know, it's just too big. Looked okay, but couldn't deal with the rubbing on the dips. So 305s, they should be good on these here. Yeah, we're gonna go. I'm gonna be taking my wheels off and taking them to the tire shop instead of taking my car. So I don't need people, you know, revving my car again while I'm taking the video. Yeah, but. Oh yeah, up close on the wrap. Oh, y'all seen it, but yeah, I'm gonna end up fixing that eventually. But yeah, let's get ready to take these tires off and head to the tire shop. We're gonna get ready to take off my tires, take them to the shop, and we'll see y'all there. So we're on the way. Had a little hiccup, you know. Couldn't fit all the tires in my girl's car, so she's following behind me back there. Had to put two of them in here and one of the wheels in here, but we're on the way. We're gonna go get the tires installed, and yeah, we'll see y'all there. Done here. Got them on. Looking good, looking good. Who knows, maybe I might throw these in the front. Some 295s in the front. Nah, we'll see. Yeah, let's get home and throw them on. All right, y'all, we are back from the tire shop. We got the tires. I gotta say, they're looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I'm excited to put them on. Get ready for Sunday. Should have made a video on it last night, but I'll show you guys what I did. I ended up straightening up or kind of like lining up the body lines in the front a little bit better. Here from the bumper to fender. So what I did here, as you see, the body lines are pretty straight right here on this side. Underneath, I pretty much made my own skid plate, which mounts to the frame, to the bumper. Really just got rid of the wiggle play and wiggle room in the bumper. This side wasn't done yet, but once I did that side, mounting it from the frame to the bumper helped it pretty good and got rid of that wiggle that you see there. The other side was done, no wiggle, everything was good. Yeah, it actually helped. You know, I had an idea, came into mind, I put it together, and it worked. So we'll see how it holds up, but I think it'll do pretty good. Yeah, they looking good. We'll see how long these last. But I don't plan on driving on them too much. I do want to take my car to the track. Haven't done it. I was at Irwindale for Fall Fest, but I have my 315s over there, but I didn't have tires to go down the strip, so I didn't want to. But eventually, I'm gonna take this thing down the strip, see what she does. But yeah, let's get these things cleaned up and thrown on there. All cleaned up on the car.
The next day.
All right, good morning, y'all. Here we are, Sunday morning. All cleaned up and ready to go. About to hit the park with all the 300 homies. Sheesh. That purple is glistening in the sun right now. Sheesh. All right, well, we'll see y'all there. Sheesh. Just a little pre-meet. How to get some Starbies, you know. Sheesh. What happened? Oh, yeah, he had a flat. But we got twins over here with the drag packs. He's just on the Mickeys. She would have had him too, but he got a flat on the way here. Crazy. And I'm gonna get the driver.
Where your car at, nigga?
Oh man.
Damn.